So I recently found a photo editing app called Bazaart, and I'm going to show you how to easily whiten the backgrounds of your photos, which is extremely helpful if you're a reseller and want a nice crisp cover photo. So first you're just going to bring up the app and then select your photo. I have some photos already in my projects. So then you're going to go and select the magic button and then click canvas. And then when you click the background, you choose a background and then you go to add background and then you choose the white option and then click done, and you just save it. It's that easy. And then we'll try another one. Go back to my projects and I'll select the jacket this time. And you'll click that magic button again and it does its thing. And then you'll go to canvas once again and click the background and then done. And then you'll add the background again to white. You can add any color really that you want. There is also prints and everything that you can add, but we like that crisp white background. And then we'll do a couple more. It's just really easy and really fast, as you can see. So occasionally you're going to get one that selects something that shouldn't be selected or deletes more of the actual item that it should, and I'll show you that in just a moment. These shoes, for instance, it didn't delete all of the background. So as you can see, there's a little portion that we'll have to actually delete. So you'll select the background once again, and then you will make the background white again, and then you'll go back to the canvas and change layers. So you're going to change it back to the actual item, and then you'll just zoom in and find the eraser tool, and you will erase. I do like to choose the Smart Eraser though, because it kind of knows where to select. It sometimes does delete what it shouldn't, so you always have that undo button. And if you zoom in, it's a lot easier. I find that it is a lot easier to tap rather than do long strokes. For one, that you can undo, your last edit. So I will go over and then you can always restore if you do too much as well. So I'm just going to erase this, and I'm tapping it just to get little areas. Try to make that look a little bit better. And like I said, you can click the restore button and bring part of the picture actually back if you deleted too much. So don't be afraid to try it. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, just save it and you're done. And let's try one more. Most of them are pretty much just one tap and the photo's clean. There's hardly any more editing other than the magic eraser tool, and then just save it. And I use it for a lot of other things. I sometimes do my side-by-sides, and I also use it for my YouTube thumbnails, which I thought about doing another video later just for that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful.